for humanity. Peace is what we need for you and me. Peace, the solution for humanity. Eternally, oh peace. Peace is what we need, oh peace, oh peace. Open your eyes, your heart, your mind. Seek the truth and you will find. The day is clear from night, as darkness is from light. A world without war, hatred or crime. A world where we live in side by side. Divided we fall, let's stand and unite. Peace is the solution for all humankind. Peace, the solution for humanity. Peace is what we need for you and me. Peace, the solution for humanity. Eternally, oh peace. Peace is what we need, oh peace, oh peace. What's the color of peace? Is it black or is it white? Is it selfish, is it vain? Have an ego or pride? Can it speak, hear or see? Is it dumb, deaf or blind? If you seek the truth, then you will find. Peace has no color, race or creed. Peace is for all, it's what we all need. Take a look at the world and you'll surely see. Peace is the solution for humanity. Peace, the solution for humanity.